everyone, this is my closet. This is actually the last filming I'm going to do here in Washington. My bags are packed to go back to Arizona, and I think 3/4 of my suitcase is filled with products from all the boxes that I unboxed here. So I'm in a lot of trouble when they go to weigh my suitcase. But I wanted to do my Fab Fit Fun. I know so many people have unboxed theirs, but I need to do it so if there's anything great, I can try to find room in my suitcase and bring it back. So this is a quarterly subscription, and you get to pick products. They give you like a choice of 3 on 2 or 3 items. You can do add-ons. It's a really fun subscription. So let's get into it. The first thing is the book that tells you everything that is in here. I'm not sure if somebody famous is on the cover, but it's got a nice booklet, and again, detailed of all the products that are in here. So I'm pretty excited. There is cards that have different things, and HelloFresh has upped its game to $80. I think when I first started doing HelloFresh, it was at 20, then 40, then 60. Now it's 80. So how could you turn that down? So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And as always, if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate the loyalty. So let's get into this bad boy. The first thing that is in here is by Wonder, so I'll never say no to that. It's their Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and there's 6 pairs. I use these all the time. I get like 1 or 2 in a subscription box every now and then, and it's the first thing that I grab for. So let me see if I can find the retail price of these in my book. Okay. They retail for $25 for the 5 masks, and it's definitely worth it. Gotta find room in the suitcase, and I've already shipped back 2 big boxes of products because I knew I couldn't get them in my suitcases, so tons of stuff going back. The next thing is by Trazik, Mini Eye Essentials, Luxe Neutral. There's a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, another shadow crayon, and an eye pencil. This I can just throw in my carry-on because it's so light. What a nice little kit. And let's see how much that is. It is $48 for these 4. And I know Trazik is a great brand. Okay, so far so good. The next thing is by Bobble Bar. It are these beautiful earrings, and I can tell you right now, I will not be wearing them. I don't wear this kind of stuff, especially being out in the woods, being out in the desert. I just don't reach for them. So these will be going in a gift. Okay. The next thing, and I couldn't wait for these because, you know, I had to cheat and watch tons of unboxings. It is by Harper and Airy, and they're the Juice Cleanse. And they're these cubes that you use in the shower. Oh my God. I could just leave this open and have them smell up my place. Okay. Oh, and let me tell you how much those earrings were. The Juice Cubes are $16, and I've never seen anything like that before, so I was really looking forward to getting those. And the earrings are $32, or no, 3B, sorry. The Bubble Bar Ferret Ear Crawlers are $34. They're a crawler. The next thing is Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair by Aveda. And most of us know Aveda is a great product. So again, gotta make room in the suitcase for this. And have to find it. I hope you guys are all having a great week. And $30. And I don't know if I told you how much I paid for the box. I think with shipping it comes to $49.99. And again, the longer you keep it, like if you did a year, the cheaper the box gets. And they're definitely well worth it. The next thing is by Human and Kind. It's a body souffle. And it's all wrapped up, so I am not going to unpack it. But if I had to guess, it smells awesome. And the body souffle is $18. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft. Yeah. Ooh. Sorry. Okay. The next thing, which is all wrapped up really good, it comes in this little cute bag. Trying to see what it says. Ooh, mystery. Is it a mystery item? And our mystery item is Murad, and I love Murad. And it's the Renewing Eye Cream. And I'm sure this, I'm not sure if I have this, but I just got something from them that I enjoy. And let's check the eye cream. I'm not sure if it's on here because I think it was a surprise. I don't see it on here, but if I should come across it in my journeys, I will let you know. And not sure. I think this is the last thing in the box. The last thing in the box is detox pads. And I use these. I have different brands of them, but I do use them and I do enjoy them. And let's see how much they are. They are to be $45. Now, I will tell you I'm a little disappointed with Fabfitfun this quarter because I moved, or I live up in Washington in the summer. I was trying to connect with them to make sure that I could do the pre-orders and that they were going to send it here. And I've got all sorts of documentation that I'm going back and forth. Well, apparently I didn't get to do that because I really wanted that curling iron. And it looks like I got the detox pads. So if you look at this first page, this must be your choices, and they sent me the detox pads. So I'm a little disappointed in there. And then in the second page where you can pick, I wanted the aromatherapy rollerball, and I didn't get that. So do I think the price of the box is totally worth it? Yes, I do. Would these be my choice of items? Definitely not. So I'm a little disappointed because I really tried to be able to pre-order what I wanted. On the last page, it looks like I got 4 out of the 5. Excuse me, 4 out of the 5 items. So I'm thinking this little surprise thing is in the place of something. But I do enjoy the box. Will I order it again? Yes. I might just do the year so that way there is no mess up with what I get. So let me know what you think. I know a lot of you got boxes as I watched all the videos, and there were great products in your boxes. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.